Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making sweet creamed corn. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And for those of you that are returning, I'd like to thank you for coming back and also for supporting. Before we get started, if you would for me, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like the content that you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's take it a step further. If you want to be notified each time I do upload a new video, go ahead and click that notification bell on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now on to the video. Okay, so the ingredients that we're going to need to make the cream corn: a half of a small onion, which is optional, some salt, pepper, heavy cream, a couple teaspoons of sugar, and of course, the fresh corn, which you can use frozen corn too if you like. However, fresh is best. And what I do is just cut my corn off the cob. I love getting corn, what is this, August? In late July, early August. And actually getting it from the store, like Walmart or anywhere. They usually have a really good corn. The corn is usually really sweet, which this is really sweet and good. So normally what I'll do is I'll buy up a few ears and I'll put them in the freezer. I like to do seafood boils. And the seafood boils are good when you have really sweet corn. All right, so now that I've cut that off, what I'm going to do is go ahead and scrape the corn cob to get that milk out of there, that natural corn milk. All right, so what I'm doing first, this actually is enough to make, I'm making cream corn and I'm also making fried corn. So I'm going to use half for each one. Check out the other video. First one I'm going to do right here is cream corn. Oh, and I also almost forgot butter. You definitely want some butter. So let me go ahead and chop up this onion and get my pot ready. Skillet ready, and we'll be ready to go. And I'm cutting this onion up kind of fine so that it can melt pretty much in the mixture. All right, guys, so I have my skillet on. I'm using a cast iron skillet. I have that on. I have my butter. This is unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you like. Just watch your salt content when you're seasoning. All right, so I'll go ahead and add in my onion. And you want to cook this until the onions are translucent. All right, so our onion is translucent. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the corn. And like I said before, the onion is optional. Turn the stove up a little bit for just a moment. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my black pepper. And this is going to be seasoned to taste. I like a lot of black pepper in my corn. Also going to put a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning, which is optional as well. All right, so I'm gonna let this corn go ahead and cook a little bit, and I'll come back and I'll add the cream. All right, so our corn has been cooking really good. Go ahead and add another tablespoon of butter. This helps the cream corn get its creaminess and richness. All right, now the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and add is the heavy cream. And this is actually three ears of corn. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar. Although the corn is sweet, it would be nice to have a little bit more sugar. So this is a tablespoon of Splenda. It's not regular sugar, which is going to be 2 tablespoons that you would actually use for regular sugar that you normally use. I'm going to go ahead and taste. I haven't put any salt in here yet. I have to turn the stove down too. That's good, but it could use some salt. That salt helps bring out the sweetness. And I'm going to cut this all the way down to a medium. And this is pretty much done. Give it about 4 or 5 more minutes. The cream is thickened up in here with this butter. See this one more time. Yep, this is done. I'll go ahead and turn my stove off because with this cast iron skillet, it keeps residual heat in here, so the corn will still cook a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so there you have it. Homemade creamed corn. And you can make this as thick or as thin as you want. If you want it to be a little less thick, then I would cut the cook time down some. I really hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell at the top right-hand corner of the screen to be notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you don't mind, please go ahead and share the video. Until next time, stay safe.